This is Elena. Lately, she's been feeling bloated, gassy, and a bit irregular. If we look closely, very closely, inside her digestive tract, we can see that it's sort of like a parking lot. Yep, billions of tiny parking spots line her intestines, and these are meant to be filled with good bacteria. But over time, they become vacant due to things like stress and an unhealthy lifestyle. Then, when the bad bacteria came through, they took the vacant spots and made her sick. Her doctor gave her an antibiotic which fought the bad guys, but also many of the good guys. Now, she has a whole lot of vacant spots and things are really out of balance. She needs to invite the good guys back in so the cycle doesn't repeat itself. Elena learned that probiotics help restore good bacteria, so she ate yogurt and took probiotic supplements, but because of the effects of stomach acid, only 4% of the good guys actually arrived, and she didn't notice much improvement. Well, now more good guys can save the day, and you can feel healthy again with Hyperbiotics probiotics. Hyperbiotics probiotics are 15 times more effective than other capsules because 60% of the good bacteria make it to the gastrointestinal tract, alive. Hyperbiotics probiotics are pearl-shaped and contain a patented biotract protection and time-release technology that delivers a potent percentage of living organisms throughout the day to provide instant and ongoing comfort, and helps you absorb more vitamins and nutrients so you can get and stay well. Elena's life has changed thanks to a tiny pearl. How about you? Get your digestive tract back on track with Hyperbiotics probiotics.